Good afternoon everyone. How are you all? Today I am going to ask few questions. From birth to 1.5 year age, it is called as. From 1.5 year to 3 years of age, we call it as. From 6 to 9 years of age, we call it as. What is the other name for kids? He was the 11th president of India. He was also called as Missile Man of India. Can anyone guess who is he? Today I am going to explain about the lesson My Childhood about APJ Abdul Kalam. So what is the full name of APJ Abdul Kalam? Aul Pakir Jainul-Abdin Abdul Kalam. He was born in a middle class Muslim family in island town of Rameshwaram, which is in the state of Tamil Nadu. His father's name was Jainul-Abdin and mother's name was Ashiyama. His parents were neither much educated nor rich. Kalam inherited the qualities of honest and self-discipline from his parents. So children, what is the meaning of inherited? To be born with same physical or mental characteristics as one of your parents or grandparents. This is Abdul Kalam's house. His house was on Mosque Street in Rameshwaram. They lived in ancestral's Pakka house. So what is the meaning of ancestral's house? House owned and preserved by same family for several generations. Children, what is the meaning of Pakka house? A house which is made with stone, brick and cement. This is Abdul Kalam's picture at the age of 8 years. Abdul Kalam's cousin brother Shamsuddin distributed newspapers and he employed Abdul Kalam as help to distribute newspapers. For that he paid some amount to Abdul Kalam. It was his first wage. This is Abdul Kalam's school. Abdul Kalam has 3 friends, Ramananda Shastri, Aravindam and Shiva Prakashan. One day when Abdul Kalam was in 5th standard, a new teacher came to his class. Abdul Kalam used to wear cap. Generally Muslim people used to wear this type of cap. Kalam always sit in the front row next to Ramananda Shastri. But that new teacher doesn't like Abdul Kalam sit with Hindu priest's son. So he asked Abdul Kalam to sit in back bench. Because of that incident, the young boys felt very bad. After going back to home, they told to their parents about the incident. So Ramananda Shastri's father called the teacher and told him not to spread the poison of communal hatred and social inequality in the minds of innocent children. So that 8 years paper distributing boy become a scientist. After few years he was renowned scientist in the world. He also called as Missile Man of India. He is the 11th president of India. His life journey from Rameshwaram to Rashtrapati Bhavan inspired millions of Indians. He held various positions under ISRO and DRDO. He was honored with many awards. Can anyone guess what are that awards? Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna. For his hard work and dedication towards the society, towards a nation. He became principal scientific advisor to Government of India. So children, today we discuss about my childhood lesson about APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born in Rameshwaram, an island town in the state of Tamil Nadu. His father's name Jainulabdin and mother's name was Ashiyamma. His house was on Mosque Street in Rameshwaram. They lived in ancestral Pakka house. Abdul Kalam was worked as a paper boy at the age of 8 years. For that he earned some amount as a wage. It was his first wage. Abdul Kalam has 3 friends: Ramanatha Shastri, Aravindam and Shiva Prakashan. Kalam always sat in the front row next to Ramanatha Shastri. When Kalam was in 5th standard, a new teacher came to his class. That new teacher doesn't like Abdul Kalam to sit in front row because Ramanatha Shastri was a Hindu priest's son. So a Hindu priest's son sitting with a Muslim boy, that new teacher doesn't like that. So he asked Abdul Kalam to sit in backbench. After going back to home, these young boys told to their parents about the incident in the school. Ramanatha Shastri's father called the teacher and told him not to spread the poison of communal hatred and social inequality in the minds of innocent children. So that 8 years paper distributing boy became a scientist after a few years. He was the 11th president of India. He also called as Missile Man of India. He was honored with many awards: Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna for his hard work and dedication towards the nation. So children, I am going to ask few questions about the topic. So what is our lesson name? Who is Abdul Kalam? Where was Abdul Kalam's house? How did Kalam earn his first wage? Thank you.